Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a verbal explanation of this week's agenda. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down here and it's going to say review author's purpose by clicking this YouTube link. Then you're going to click on the link and you're going to watch this lovely video about author's purpose. Once you have completed that assignment, you're going to exit out of that link. It'll take you back to Google Classroom. And I want you to write at least one comment about the YouTube video. So you can say something like, I learned that, and then you just tell me something about the video that you learned. Once you're done writing your comment, you are going to post it. After that, I want you to read this text, see below. So you are going to click on the text and it is going to take you to this Scholastic digital website. You're going to hit log in and you are a student. Now it's asking you for your classroom password, but if you just scroll down here, you can sign in with your Google Classroom. Now that you've signed on to Google Classroom, I want you to read the article. If you would like it orally read to you, it's going to be over here on the left-hand side. And you're going to just click text to speech. Remember, you can slow down the speech if you would like by clicking this. Okay, once you're done, you're going to exit out of that, go back to the Google Classroom, and you are going to read the comprehension questions. So you're going to go to the classwork tab of this page. You're going to click on the Superman comprehension questions, view assignment, and you are going to click on the Google Forms. You are going to answer your questions. Make sure you write your name here. And you're going to answer the documents. Once you're done, you're going to click submit. And it will send it directly to me. Now, obviously, you would have to answer the questions. Okay, when you have submitted it, you're going to go over here and you're going to mark it as done. Now, let's go back to our agenda and see what we have to do next. The next thing I want you to do is you're going to read your author's purpose questions. So you're going to click on classwork and you're going to scroll down to author's purpose. Let's click on view assignment. Okay, so you're going to think about that YouTube video that you watched earlier about author's purpose that you made a comment about. And you are going to, while you're thinking about that, you're going to click on this. Keeping in mind the Superman paired text, what do you think? Is your text fiction? Does it tell you a story? Does it have illustrations? I want you to write in a scratch piece of paper yes or no answers to these questions. Once you're done, I want you to really think about this question. Look at the information above. Based on your answers, what do you think the author's purpose was for writing your book? Once you think you have the answer to that question, you're going to exit out and you're going to go back to the author's purpose assignment. So at this point, you're going to decide between inform or entertain as the author's purpose. Then you're going to go over here to private comments and you are actually going to write inform or entertain. After you're done writing inform or entertain, you're going to post it and you're going to mark it as done. Okay? Then you're going to go back in here and you're going to check your agenda. Let's see, we did the paratext, we did the comprehension questions, we did the purpose questions. So the rest of the week, I really would love you to get some Power Up done. This is an extension activity, it's not required, but I would love, love, love to see you guys working really, really hard on that. Okay, thank you guys for listening to the tutorial and good luck. And let me know if you have any questions.